Hi, I'm AK and welcome to my channel Artistic K-pop, and let's move on to the video. Recently it was reported that JYP Entertainment is planning to launch a total of 4 new idol groups through various programs. They have already launched one audition program called Loud in collaboration with Size P Nation. They also plan to launch a China-based boy group this year and a Japan-based group which will be a boy version of NiziU, and another group which will be US-based in 2022. According to financial reports, JYP Entertainment is expected to have an operating profit of $62 million in 2 years, which would be an increase of 60%. And this increase forecast is based on the renewal agreement with a Chinese music label, JYP's future groups, and their current group NiziU. They also said, even with the assumption that these 4 groups will not perform well, we are still expecting operating profit to increase by at least 60% in 2 years. However, the financial firm believes that these groups will even surpass the sales of Twice in their prime in 2 years. During the fourth quarter of 2020, JYP posted a consolidated operating profit of $9.3 million, which is less by 22% as compared to the last year, and the sales of $36.9 million, which is less by 6% as compared to the last year. They said the sales drop was considerably due to COVID-19 and the absence of concerts. However, this gap was somewhat compensated by the increase in sales of albums and downloads, which jumped 47% in quarter 4 of 2020 compared to the quarter 4 of 2019. And this increase was a reflection of the album sales from Twice, GOT7 and Stray Kids, including the YouTube sales that reached a record high of $4.16 million. However, all these numbers do not include NiziU's sales of $4.4 million. JYP Entertainment and their all groups sure had a great year in 2020. However, as the news of 4 new groups started to spread, netizens are wondering what will happen to their existing groups. As you might already know that recently GOT7 left JYP Entertainment, and if you don't know that this year GOT7 sold around 800,000 albums, which resulted in overall 25% of JYP's profit. So from now on, JYP won't be getting that money. Their second boy group, Stray Kids, their members Han and Hyunjin were also caught up in some controversies, Han in racism controversy and Hyunjin in bullying controversy. On that note, Han did apologize for his racist rap he made while he was 13, and Hyunjin also denied all the bullying allegations, but Hyunjin is still on hiatus and taking break from all his activities because of the controversy. So after all this, netizens are wondering what plan does JYP has for Stray Kids after they debuted 4 new boy groups, because when Stray Kids debuted, they completely ignored GOT7. Netizens also think that JYP Entertainment is not so great at handling boy groups, and they are also worried about the financial support for all these new groups and their existing groups. And not to mention, Twice's contract with JYP Entertainment is going to end in around 2 years, right after they debut these groups. So are they planning to throw away Twice as well as they did with GOT7? Netizens have lot of questions and worries about JYP's groups and their futures. So tell me your thoughts on this matter in the comment section below, and please care to subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon for all notifications.